Well, it only took 3 hours, but our axle seals are here. I could have ordered them from only one other vendor in town. And it's the same seal in a different box. One's red and one's blue box. So the red box, they're like $4 and change. The blue box from the blue store, pretty sure you can figure out what that is, they want $24 a piece. It's the same seal with the same part number in the same box. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to spend that kind of money for a $4 seal. And they would have probably took an hour and a half. So it's just annoying that they don't hire enough drivers out here. We have tons of parts stores, but they all only have one delivery driver. And if someone has to go pick up something from another store, it takes eternity. Anyway, passenger side axle seal done and in. I'm going to pop in our driver's side axle seal right now. And then I'm going to put our axles in. Finally. All right, so getting ready to put our axles in. Oh my, we're under fire. We're under fire.
Run, they saw us.
We're under fire. Anyway, this guy's playing with a neighbor kid. That's always fun. So, putting together this bracket, getting everything mounted. This little piece here helps retain the bearing because now that we have this thicker backing plate, this plate can't hold the bearing down. So this goes in between and supports it. So this will slide back and this will come in through the bottom here, up and around and in. You guys get the idea. Onto the bolts, and they all bolt together. Now, when that's all completed, and then the rotor is mounted up, it will look like this. Ta-da!